And welcome back. I'm just going to walk you through each of the units in Phys Ed 10, and we'll start again at the healthy living one with the boy by the river. So I'm assuming that you have completed the goal setting option and the rest of the course is opened up for you. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through and give you a heads up on what each of these assignments looks like. Local community venues. Where are 5 places in my community that I can be active? It could be ones where I pay, like a fitness facility, or walking trails that are free for everyone in the community to use. Lifelong activities. What am I going to do as I age? What are some things that I'm going to keep doing as I grow older? Benefits of a healthy lifestyle. Visualizing you as an active adult. Pick an age range, 20 to 25, 35 to 40, 60 to 65. What are 3 things that you see yourself doing as an adult? Analyzing health claims. What are some things that certain products say that they do or claim to do for you? You're going to analyze 2 different products and tell me whether they are real. You think they're real, or you think they're exaggerated and they're kind of trying to pull the wool over. Healthy eating. You have 3 choices here. For the healthy eating assignment, you can do how much real food am I eating and how much processed food am I eating. Option 2 is track how much sugar I'm taking in every day. And the third option is tracking how much water I'm taking in and analyzing that. And the final thing is recording your activity hours. 20 hours. There are sheets here in the course where you can log your activity hours. It'll ask you for an RPE, which is a rate of perceived exertion. How hard am I working when I'm doing these things? So once you've completed the 20 hours, submit those. If you can submit a coach's signature, a website if I'm on a team, some pictures of me being active, that is excellent. And just give me a little reflection on what activity I'm doing. I had a soccer game this weekend. We lost 3-0. I was a fullback and played 80 minutes of the game. If you need more than one sheet to do the 20 hours, that's totally fine. But please make sure you have at least 20 hours on your sheet when you're turning it in. Okay, that is the Healthy and Active Living unit.